Hi, this is Imelda. Today I'm going to talk about the Wells Fargo banking scandal and how Wells Fargo failed to restore its image. To give a brief overview of the scandal, between 2002 and 2016, Wells Fargo employees created 3.5 million accounts without customer consent. The forced 570,000 customers to buy unwanted car insurance, which lead to 20,000 cars being repossessed. They force customer signature and severely overcharge small business for credit card transaction fees. This has broken trust with customers, investors, government, and the American public. Wells Fargo handled the crisis in several ways. As early as 2005, Wells Fargo used its legal resources to fire and suppress whistleblowers. In 2013, Wells Fargo was exposed to the LA Times. This led to legal battle. In the end, Wells Fargo was fined $185 million. The response was to blame and fire 5,300 employees accused of fraud. When that did not work, response was to blame and fire the regional manager and then the CEO. The board of directors then hired a legal firm to indemnify themselves. A new CEO was hired and communicated to Congress, his employees, and the American people that Wells Fargo had changed. Today, Wells Fargo continues to settle lawsuits and pay restoration. Here we are on the analysis slide. The tactics used by Wells Fargo are that they attack the accuser by firing, suppressing whistleblowers. The act of going to court is a form of simple denial where the accuser is forced to prove his or her case. Wells Fargo has continually returned to court since 2005 over this scandal. Wells Fargo shifted the blame following the settlement in 2016. Corrective action followed by firing people who were blamed. Mortification was used by CEO John Stamp when he apologized to Congress. The board of directors used evasion of responsibility, namely defensibility, when indemnified themselves from the scandal. The company under CEO Tim Solon has claimed the company has taken corrective action and is now trustworthy. Today, in the foreseeable future, Wells Fargo will continue to use compensation in the form of settlement to injured parties. Firing whistleblowers suppressed the story for 8 years, during which no corrective action took place. Both court and legal fees have been extremely expensive for Wells Fargo. Additionally, the delay in ownership has led to the discovery of even more problems at Wells Fargo. Here are some of evaluation takeaway. Blaming employees only makes the company look bad. Selfish indemnification hurts company image. Claiming corrective action without real change angers the public. Lastly, compensation does not work if it is not fair. Here we are at the last slide. This is what I learned. The biggest failure is not doing the right thing. Leadership needs to fix the problem when it's small. The second failure is not to control the story. Denial and suppression by time but do not make the issue go away. Leadership must fully understand and embrace the problem to fixing it. When people are hurt, corrective action must take the place. Thank you for watching and goodbye.